In this TeamWork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log in to your TeamWork 5 account. To do that, make sure you are at the correct URL. For most of you, you will log in using the URL teamwork.net/signin. However, some of you will have a custom URL. Be sure to check with your manager to see which one you should use. Your manager should have given you 3 pieces of information. That is your code, your username, and your password. Enter that information in the box on the left under Employee. If you try and use the box on the right, it will not work. First, enter your code. I'm going to say After Hours, which is a restaurant. Next, enter your username. We'll use cat. And finally, your password. Capitals do matter in your password. After you've entered in the correct information, choose Sign In. And you should be logged in to your TeamWork 5 account. You will arrive either at your home page or your calendar, depending on which one you have set up to come up first. That's how you can sign in to your TeamWork 5 account. Check out the next video to learn how to change your password.